everyone. I am going to do a mallet smash today, but I am going to do a dirty flip cup instead of just pouring it on. A dirty flip cup instead of a puddle pour. That's what I mean. So hang on, I'm going to use, I just did my last pour with this, so I'm gonna use this kind of as the base of the flip cup. It is Grumbacher Iridescent White, but I'm gonna call it Pearl because that's what it looks like to me. So I'm gonna use that, Grumbacher Dioxazine Purple, Grumbacher Processed Cyan, Artist Loft Light Magenta, and Liquitex Basic Bright Aqua Green. I'm going to do 1 drop of treadmill silicone, oh, there we go, into this flip cup. And then, okay, that. And I don't really know how much to add since I usually do it as puddles. I'm not really sure. I figure whatever's left over I can pour out and do I'm blanking. Oh my gosh, using the Yupo paper. Oh my god. I can't think of words. All right, I'm done with that. I'm gonna save that lid. Here's all my colors, and this is a 10 by 10 MDF board that I have shop teacher at work cut for me. Oh, it's looking pretty. And so it's like that, primed with gesso and sanded down. And I just have this paper. Yeah, it's not actually going to be a good idea. No, it will not be. I was thinking I could do the paper so that I wouldn't get the paint on the back. But I don't think that's going, well, you know what? We'll see what happens. So the white is Dutch Boy. Mixed with Floetrol and water. I don't even know if I have enough in here to cover this. I am really hoping I do, because I don't have any more to mix up right now. I've got to head on out to Menards tomorrow. Looks like I will have enough. Will not have enough to if I don't like it, wipe it off and start over. So I will have to live with whatever I pour. So this, I'm going to use just this plastic, scoopy up the white, works great. And apply it back onto there. It's amazing how well that works. And the rest I'm just going to use my fingers. You're not missing anything. I'm just pouring off any extra because I don't want too much paint left on here after I smash it. well, this is just silly now. That's just kind of pointless at this point. I'm going to torch out the bubbles. Meanwhile, this has been sitting here, and that's what it's looking like. It's got some really pretty colors in it. Gosh, do I want to mallet smash it? It's so pretty. I don't think I do. It just seemed too pretty to smash. Look, it's still in there, so pretty. But I don't want it looking like intestines either. I could always smash it like this though. Because I wanted to know what it would look like if I poured it out, because it's so pretty. Look at that, it's just so pretty. You can see it's starting to bleed into the white. Right now it looks like intestines, so it's a tough choice. Maybe I'll just... Yeah, it just looks like innards. I gotta smash it. Or at least part of it. Ooh, wow. It's not pretty. I'll actually leave that in case Oh, I'm so glad I smashed it. That's pretty. Torch out all these bubbles I've now put into it. And then I'll still have to tilt because there's a lot of paint and big bald spots, which I'm going to dip into the white and kind of refill. Garbage disposal. Since it wasn't separate areas when I did the smash, it's not going to look like my other ones. So my other ones have more distinct areas, but this will not. Actually, I'm just going to keep tilting. I like the look of them all running together. See if the hair guard does anything. I've been trying this lately and it usually doesn't do anything. Nah. The times it's worked, I must have had a lot of paint on there. This part just doesn't want to. Oh. You know what? I am going to leave it and see if these spots fill in by them. Well, that part doesn't look right though. I've always been curious as to if those divots will fill in by themselves. So there are so many air bubbles. So we're going to see if they do. I'm going to leave it just like this. I'll lighten up these areas though a little bit. Okay, I really don't want to leave it because that's just pure wood. But you know what? I'm gonna, because I do want to see what happens. Ooh, wonder. This might just be way too much. But it's so pretty. It's gonna be too much. But we'll see. So I'm excited to see what happens with this, if those areas fill in or not. and I will update you. Have a great day. Bye.